Hi, my name is Erica, and welcome to my YouTube channel. So, today I'm just going to be doing a Q&A, question and answer, just to introduce myself to you, my subscribers, and for you guys to get to know me a little better. My, um, my page is mostly going to be about, healthy lifestyle, things that you can do to improve your, like your skincare and so naturally. Like, other than using chemicals that may harm your skin in the long run. I'll be teaching you how to use what you have in your kitchen to, make your skin have a healthier, younger look. So, um, share, like, subscribe, and comment. Some of the topics that you would like for me to speak on pertaining to, lifestyle and skincare. So I'm going to begin the Q and A. So I'll be, I got this Q and A from Alicia Kim. Q and A. I'm a subscriber of hers, and I choose to ask, use her questions that she was, used to introduce herself to YouTube. So the first question is, which social media I am obsessed with. So the social media that I am mostly so obsessed with is Instagram. Because I don't know, I just feel like you connect with people more on Instagram, and you can find any little thing, any little store, ear store, picnic clothing, everything that you would like to, like to shop in or spend your money. You can easily go on Instagram and find it. And I also like, the most thing I like about Instagram is that you can always, find locations of places and their addresses. Also like different restaurants in everywhere of the world you can find on Instagram. So the second question is, where did I grow up? Well, I was born in Port Antonio, Portland, Jamaica, and I grew up in a community called Falkland in the district of Boundbrook. So yeah, I'm a country girl. Yes. Um, so third question is, what is your most embarrassing moment in high school? Well, my time in high school was not really, a happy one, but I had like several embarrassing moments in high school, but I think that the one that take the cake is was the time that um my hair was falling out, and one of my friends decided to, she decided that time they were wearing the cut off, like you lower the back of your ear and you have the top with ear, you curl it up and something. She cut the ear, but I don't know. My mom said my mother did say nothing wrong with it, but everybody came to see, come, and everybody wants to see the girl with the half a hairstyle. So that was one of the most embarrassing moments for me in high school. So yeah. The fourth question is, did you go to college? No, I did not go to college, but I went to a community college in Bombrook, and I got a practical nurse certificate. So yeah, that is my tertiary education right now, but no tertiary. Um, someday. Did you So my fifth question is coffee, tea, which you prefer? So I do not drink. I don't like drinking warm things in the morning. So but I like coffee. But I'm not a person that will get up and make something warm for myself to drink in the morning. So the sixth question is, are you single or married? So I am single. Yes, I'm single. And yes, I'm single. I'm not in any situationship, relationship, nothing. I'm single. So the seventh question is books that changed your life. I'm not a reader like that. So no. I like to watch, I like to watch YouTube. I like things that are moving. I'm not the type. I don't like reading. So there's no book that changed my life. What is your go-to hairstyle? So my go-to hairstyle is the one that I'm wearing now. So yeah, catch it up in one. And if I choose to braid my hair, I always like to braid it, cane roll back. I always like to cane roll it back, or if are a side part with the frontal or the closure here. So that is it. How many siblings do I have? So I have three brothers on my mother's side and a younger sister on my father side. I'm the only girl for my mother, and I'm the third for my mother, and I'm the first child for my father. So yes, I'm the oldest for my father and the third child for my dad, for my mom. So tell us something that we don't know about myself. Most people don't really know that I have two two sons. Most people think I only have one child, but I'm actually a mother of two. Yes, but my youngest is not with me for almost 5 years now. So most people think that I only have one child. So that is, even my family, most of my family believe that I only have one child. Yes. So the 11th question is, do you have kids? Yes, I have two boys. Yes, two boys. As I said before, I'm a mother of two. The 12th question is, what was your dream job as a kid? So my dream job as a kid, I wanted to be a veterinarian. Yes, I love animals, all different type of animals, because I used to have pets, and especially dogs. Growing up, I had a lot of dogs, and if they would die, I would cry the last time I had a dog and he dead, and I tell some my neighbor then said and things say my mother something do. They will me a ball because um I put I thought I have deep feelings for my animals, so I wanted to be a veterinarian growing up as a child. Yeah. The 13th question is, have you moved from home and where? So yes, I have moved from Portland to live in St. Catherine. Yes. I spent almost 2 years there, I was living by myself, and the experience was, it was it was an experience to experience. It wasn't a great experience living on your own, by yourself as a young girl. There's challenges most of the time, and then if you are coming from a family based also, say you have your siblings and other people around you, more than you're there by yourself almost every day. So yes, I moved from home, lived in St. Catherine. Yeah. Have you ever failed, and what you learned from it? Yes, I have failed, failed. Everybody is going to experience some form of failure, whether it's relationship or business wise, or work wise, a relationship with friends. We all are going to experience some form of failure, but it's we're supposed to learn from it. What I learned from my failures is not to do the same thing that I did to fail. Try to do something different so that it's a different outcome than what's transpired before. So yes, we're at the 15th question, right? So what is something you can't live without? So something that I cannot live without: food. I'm a lover of food. That is one thing I can't live without, because I've been without cell phones for a lot, long time. But I can't do without food. It's something that I always want to have. So, and the 16th question is, what are your favorite foods? So my favorite foods are, I love chicken. Anything we're making a chicken always tastes good to me. Like, so I always say that I cannot go into like a tasting competition, like to taste the food to see who cook it better. I always feel like say me can't do that, because if chicken in there, or when it's something raw, or like, it just know once a chicken is my palate. So I like chicken. If I go into a restaurant and if me can't recognize nothing on it, something wants me to see something like chicken, that is what I'm going to order, because I love chicken. And what is your favorite color? My favorite color is green. I love green. Yeah. Green is my favorite color. And number 18 is, who is your role model? Um what did I say? Who is my role model? I'm not really sure. I'm not sure who is my role model, because we can't even say one celebrity, because I don't really know, I don't really know them based on what you see on the internet. But out of everybody that lifestyle and their come up, that I take as my role model is, you know I would have to say Spice. Yeah. I love Spice. From me growing up, I always love Spice. Like, she she's showing you that, oh, not because I'm black, that doesn't mean I can't have this and have that, and not because I have children, I'm gonna live with my baby father again, I'm going to settle for less than what I deserve. So yes, I love Spice. Yeah. Skin out my pum pum. Yeah, I love Spice. Hey. So the 19th question is, dog or cat? which you prefer? I have two cats living here at my house with me. So I don't really have no preference because I love animals with a dog, cat. Even though sometimes we catch lizard and give me kitten. But I love animals, so yeah, we love animals. And number 20 is what is your favorite movie? S- Um, my favorite movie. Um, my favorite movie. My favorite movie would be, I have a lot. Me have enough. Me have enough movie when me watch and we watch over back. I love Tournament. I don't know if nobody ever watched Tournament, but I had Tournament as a CD. I mean, I tell you, say the way me watch it, the CD even scraped from the back parts, the white parts, it broke, scrape up from there. So, and I've always tried to find it on YouTube, Netflix, Prime Video. I can't find it. Only thing I just find like little parts of Tournament, but I love Tournament very much. So that would be my favorite movie. So 21. What was your favorite subject in high school? So my favorite subject in high school was, I love the science subject, chemistry, HB, biology, physics. Those were the subject that I prefer. I love, talking about the human body or anything that has to do with health and how the body works or how the environment itself works. So yes, I love chemistry, physics, what is the name again? Geography. I don't remember it. People comment down below the subject that they teach in school about, like longitude and latitude and the equator and like the globe and the land, landmarks and this and that. I want comment down below the subject that teachers would teach. I don't remember the name, but it was some G or something. But I think the shortening is Geo, but I can't remember the full on name of the subject. Those were my favorite subjects in high school. So 22 question. How old are you? Well, I am 26. I don't know if before I post this video to YouTube, I don't know if I'm going to be 27 yet, because I have to edit it and I'm not a good editor, so I would have to get somebody to edit this video for me, or to help me edit this video. So the person that so I'm 26 now, but my birthday is in September. And September is I'm recording this video the 15th of August. So I don't know if by time I edit it to put it on YouTube, if my birthday is going to pass or it's before that. But I'm 26 now, I'm going to be 27 September. Yes. So yeah. So 23, what was something you wish you were gifted with? With, right? So I always wanted to sing. Like I wish I had a voice, to sing, because I feel like, you know, I would have, like a good personality to go with that voice. Like if they say they want me to sing, I can put, passion and style or dance with the music that I'm singing. So yeah, I wish I could sing. I wish I could sing. Yeah. So number 24 is, what is the first thing you do when you wake up? The first thing I do when I wake up, I take up my phone, I scroll through Instagram, I go through, I go through my message them if I get no new message. I also go through TikTok, check if on Netflix, if Netflix get any new movies. Yes, so yes, that's what I do. So that is the end of um my Q&A questions. Um I would like for you guys to bring me to 1,000 subscribers, follow my Instagram page and also my business Instagram page, because I'm starting an online reading for all ages, people who want to extra lessons on reading, or if you as an adult have difficulty reading, you can get online classes from me. You can schedule your own time that you want to do the class. You can also so follow those pages. So I'm going to put them down in the put them down on the screen when I'm editing the video. So yes, and follow my TikTok also, and help me, so like, share, and subscribe, get me to 1,000 subscribers. Yes, so yeah, I'm a new YouTuber, so yeah, thank you.